everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be unbagging the Sephora play bag for October 2019. And I know I've been saying here recently that I'm not real happy with this, and I meant to cancel it, and I totally forgot. So I got it, and that's fine. What is interesting is the card that's in the play bag this month is for 20% off, which is unusual. Any foundation, tinted moisturizer, BB or CC cream purchase. And you use it online or present the card in store, and it's from October 15th through November 30th. So that is interesting. They've never done that before. Usually it's just like 50 points, which I haven't even been going into the store and redeeming lately. I tried to redeem it online the one time, and it was like, no, you can't. Whatever. So yeah, 20% off of foundation, tinted moisturizer, BB or CC cream with, you know, between October 15th and November 30th. So, all right. All right. It does come with a card. It has, you know, the joy of complexion on the back. And then on the front, is it the front or the back? I don't know. It has all of the products that are in here. And it says your beauty recipe. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go through all of these items. I'm looking at the card very interestingly. I'll get there. All right, let's go ahead and pull the perfume out. Oh no, it's a body serum. Okay, so this is from Moroccan Oil, and it is a firm and smooth night body serum, and this is the bonus item this month. So I do like Moroccan Oil. That's actually the oil that I'm using in my hair right now. So I love, at least the hair oil smells like nuts. So let's see what this one smells like. Although, I don't know how well the camera's going to pick that up, but it's filled to here. So, but this is technically the bonus item, so. I just put some hand lotion on, unfortunately, so I can't really smell it all that much, but it doesn't have an overwhelming, like, nutty smell like the hair oil does. So, all right, I will keep that and give it a try. All right, I'm going to go ahead and reach in and pull the item off of the top. This is from Tarte. It's the Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation in 15N Fair Light Neutral. I do enjoy this foundation, actually. I have 2 bottles over there. I'm going to double check the shades that match me, and I think this is going to be too dark. But there it is right there. Okay, and let me check the shades that I have that I know match me to see if this is going to be one of them. So like I said, this is 15N Fair Light Neutral. I have 2 bottles of this, and I have Fair Neutral, which is a little bit too dark, and Porcelain, which is a little bit too light, that I usually mix together. And I think Fair Light Neutral is actually a darker shade than Fair Neutral. So I don't think this is going to work for me. So, all right, let's read what this says. It says it's chosen for my skin tone. Maybe I'm going to have to go on there and look to see what I have listed, because there are actually 3 foundations in here, and all of them are going to be way too dark. So I'm not going to be able to use anything from this box. All right, so this says Water Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF 15 Rainforest of the Sea Collection in 15N Fair Light Neutral. This vegan formula is sure to satisfy your foundation appetite. It helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while delivering weightless, buildable coverage. How to use: apply directly to your foundation brush and buff onto skin in circular motions. For light to medium coverage, use 2 to 3 drops. For full coverage, use 6 or more drops. And it's too deep. So let's go ahead and pull the next item out. Let's see if I can pull the one out that I want. Let's pull this one out. So this is the Beautyblender Bounce Foundation, and it is in the shade 1.5, and I saw it on the card, so I actually pulled the full size of the Beautyblender Bounce Foundation, which I have tried and I've done a foundation review on. I'm going to pull this little thing off of here because it has all of the shades on here, and I'm going to show you the shades. So that's all the shades. If you guys can see that, I'm not sure how well it will focus on the shades to see if you can see the numbers and so forth on there. So those are the shades. And this is in 1.5, and the shade that actually matched me pretty well and I used and I actually really enjoyed is 1.1. So this is 1.1 and where's 1.5? This one is 1.5. It's 5 shades difference, so. Okay, let's go ahead and read from the card. Beautyblender Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation in 1.5C. Whisked to a light as air texture, this full coverage matte foundation is infused with hyaluronic acid to help keep skin moisturized while you wear it for up to 24 hours. How to use. Use a brush, beauty sponge, or fingertips to apply 1 or 2 pumps to the center of the face and work it outward, then build it up to your desired coverage. So I like both of those foundations, in fact. Like, I do. I like them. They look nice on my skin. The samples I can't use. All right, let's pull this one out, which I'm sure is too dark as well. This is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin in the shade Y205. And they gave me a neutral undertone, a cool undertone, and a yellow undertone. Does that make sense to anyone at all? Why? So this one might actually work for me color-wise. Hold on, I have Makeup Forever foundations as well. Let me see what shade and what type of foundation it is. Hold on. All right, so the Makeup Forever foundation that I have is the Ultra HD, and I have it in 110 R220. This one looks like it's too pale. I am gonna actually open this one up and give it a little bit of a swatch, because this one might be the closest one for me to actually try. And this one might even be too pale for me. There it is. What is going, like, what? How? What? I'm gonna get that off my neck too. So that one looks like it might even be too pale for me. And the other two were far too dark. So I don't know whose profile they were going by, but whatever. It is kind of nice to get foundations though, like even if they're just samples. That's the one nice thing. If they would have all been good for me shade-wise, they would be fantastic to take when I'm traveling. Like this little thing of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, that would be fantastic to take traveling. And even this, like if you were going for like a weekend and you just needed like 2 days worth of makeup, I think that would be more than enough for 2 days worth of makeup. Like if you're doing a 3-day weekend, that might be perfect. But that's too dark for me as well. This one's about the only shade that might work for me. All right, so this is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Full Coverage Foundation in Y205 Alabaster. Cake is good everywhere except in your complexion. This breathable full coverage foundation looks like a second skin and is creamy, buildable, and never flaky. How to use. Apply 1 or 2 pumps to the center of the face and work it outward. Then build it up to your desired coverage. So I'm going to give this a try in my month-end video. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to see if I can donate these two because they're not going to work for me. Even like in the summer, they won't work for me. Okay, 2 more items in here. Let's dump one of them out, which is going to go in my giveaway drawer because I have like 10 of these. This is the Smashbox Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. Not a bad little primer, but like I said, I've got like 3 or 4 of these that I've already opened. I have a full size. I think I might have a jumbo size of this. So I just have a lot of this primer. So this is going to go in my giveaway drawer. But we'll go ahead and read from the card. The Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. The secret ingredient in any long-lasting look is a gripping primer like this one, which also smooths skin and visibly blurs flaws. How to use. Apply a pea-sized amount in a thin layer on clean, moisturized skin. Let it sit for 15 seconds, then apply makeup. So, not my product, like I said, it's just not something that I'm going to use from this bag because I have several others from previous bags. Let's go ahead and pull this out right here. This is from Cover FX. It's the High Performance Setting Spray. I don't think I have this one. I have the illuminating one that I think a full-size illuminating, which I got in, I think, a BoxyCharm a while back. That's interesting. So it is just a sample. It's 10 milliliters, 1/3 of an ounce. Let's see how the sprayer is. Oh! That's actually a really nice, fine mister for a sample size. Doesn't have any scent, so that's fine. It does say shake very well. I don't know why you'd shake this one really well. Anyway, Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. Keep the melting in the kitchen. This weightless spray helps your makeup stay looking and feeling fresh for up to 24 hours. How to use. After applying makeup, shake up the bottle, then hold 8 to 10 inches away and mist evenly onto skin. So that's my whole box. Let's go back over it. I got the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray, which I'm actually not upset about that item. Not upset about that item. The primer, which, I don't know, maybe like early 2018, we were getting these every single month in different beauty boxes. The Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, which is too dark. The Bounce, which is too dark. Both foundations, though, I do really enjoy. And the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin in Y205, which, I don't know, that one might not be too bad. That one might not be too bad. I will definitely give that one a try. The other ones, I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know if I can donate them to a local shelter. The primer is going to go in my giveaway drawer, but I do enjoy the Bounce Foundation. I know a lot of people didn't. I enjoyed this. I did a whole foundation review on it, and the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea is one of my favorite foundations. These two are old, and they are definitely separated, and they're just no good. So I got to throw those away. I got to do a foundation clean out. In fact, I think this one is separated and no good as well. So I only have one face and I do foundation reviews all the time. So anyway, let me know your thoughts on this month's Sephora play bag and what you thought of the products. I think it's a good idea in theory that they did 3 sample foundations. That I think in theory is really nice and really good. It gives you a chance to try 3 different foundations. They're all high end. The problem is that they said that it's chosen from your skin tone. This one is super pale. This one I could probably get away with if I bronzed up my neck and, you know, yeah, I could probably get away with that one if I really wanted to. I would have to wear like a higher neck and really you know, drug it down my neck a little bit. But this Bounce one, you can't see the shade through the packaging or whatever. But if I'm a 1.1 and I know that that works for me, I don't know how I would even possibly use 1.5. And it looks super red too. Like that's the shade that it's supposed to be. Can you guys see that? I don't know. Maybe I'm being too finicky. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, let me know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot as well. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. I might go ahead and use this though. I have to look to see if there's any foundations that I've been looking to try potentially at the store that's come, anything that's come out recently. What I might look to pick up is that Smashbox one. Or no, didn't Tati just do one that was like Shiseido or something like that? It was one of the Japanese brands that she was like, it's the best foundation ever. That might be the one I pick up with this. So, all right, that is going to be my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.